In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency settings on the Temu platform. Changing currency settings can be really useful if you're shopping from different countries, living abroad, or just prefer to see your costs in a particular currency. Let's walk through this simple process together, step by step. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and go to the Temu website. If you already have it bookmarked, even better, but if not, just type the address into your search bar and hit enter. Once the homepage loads up, you should see a wide array of products and categories. You're in the right place. Next, you need to find your profile. This can usually be accessed from the main page, often located in the top right corner of the screen. It may look like a little silhouette icon or could feature your current profile picture if you've set one up. Give it a click and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you're looking for an option that says Country/Region and Language. This section is essential as it holds the key to changing various settings, including your currency. So go ahead and click on it. Upon entering this section, you'll be presented with a variety of options. Scroll down a bit and you should clearly see Currency. By default, it may be set to the currency of the country from which you initially signed up. Now you're probably here because you want to change this. Click on the currency setting, which will usually be a drop-down menu featuring all the available currencies. Now simply select your desired currency from the list. If you're in Europe, you might choose euros. In the United States, you'd likely go with dollars and so forth. It's as straightforward as that. With your preferred currency selected, you can now view all prices across the Temu platform in that currency. It'll make shopping a whole lot more convenient, ensuring there's no need for mental conversions or the hassle of using a separate app to know how much you'll be spending in your preferred currency. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your currency settings on the Temu platform. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how you navigate and shop. It's a quick task, but one that has a significant impact on your user experience. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime should you need to change them again in the future. That's all for today's guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful walkthroughs just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy shopping with Temu.